Pakistan is the future. Pakistan, trust me, is the future, also because of its friendship with China, close relationship with China. That this is the time for businesses from China to come and invest in Pakistan. And rest assured, my government will be giving you every possible help. Chinese business people are far-sighted. They can see ahead, which is a country which has a future. Very important that there is connectivity between Pakistan and Central Asia. And so all the Central Asian countries too talked about peace in Afghanistan. We now have a secure country. Pakistan's security forces, and I thank them for the sacrifices they gave at our intelligence agencies, they have overcome one of the most difficult security situations in Pakistan. We also hope that the Indian elections will be over soon. And once we hope that their elections are over in India, whichever government the people of India chooses, we hope that from then onwards we will develop a civilized relationship with our neighbor.